How to check Realme device activation date. First of all, you have to open up settings in your device. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on About Phone. Once you are here, you will land in your About Phone page where you can view all the information regarding your Realme device. Here, scroll down again, then tap on the second last option, that is Status. Now under this page, you can find all your information regarding the status of your device. And at the top there is IMEI 1 and IMEI 2. So now you have to copy your IMEI number. For that, tap and hold on it. Now you have to copy this number. Once you have already copied, now you have to close this and open up Chrome and your device. And in the search bar, you have to search for Realme activation time inquiry. Go to the first link. Once here, you will find a text box that says please input IMEI 1 or SN. So you have to tap and hold on it and paste the number that you have copied recently. Then tap on check now. Now you have to perform a verification. Now you have to drag this in order to confirm your verification. Once your verified is successful, you will see your activation date after that, and make sure to enter your correct IMEI or SN number, and then you will get all your information for your Realme device. So you have to double check your number. So this is a way to find or check your Realme device activation date, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.